I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stew peas with chicken foot. First, you'll want to prepare your red kidney beans. Soaking 1 pound of dried peas overnight is crucial. It softens them and cuts down on cooking time. Make sure to drain and rinse them well before moving on to the next step. This simple preparation ensures your stew peas will be perfectly tender and delicious. Once your peas are ready, place them in a large pot with fresh water and bring to a gentle simmer. While they cook, prepare your chicken feet. Clean about 1 pound thoroughly, trimming the nails. Add the chicken feet to the pot with the peas, allowing them to cook together. This infuses the peas with a rich, savory flavor, creating a delicious base for your stew. Now it's time to build those incredible flavors. In a separate pan, sauté your aromatics, minced garlic, chopped onion, and a small piece of Scotch bonnet pepper for a kick. Add seasonings like fresh thyme and a few pimento berries. Stir this mixture into your peas and chicken foot. Finally, pour in 1 can of coconut milk and drop in your spinners, letting everything simmer until thickened and flavorful. Your stew peas with chicken foot is almost ready. Give it a final taste and adjust the seasoning as needed, perhaps a little more salt or a pinch of black pepper. Serve this hearty dish hot, garnished with fresh scallions or cilantro for a vibrant finish. It pairs wonderfully with white rice or hard food. Don't forget to check the description for a fantastic book that can change how you think about money, plus other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.